Thinking about hiring a wood floor sanding business? You might be surprised to learn that many people end up regretting their choice because they overlook some critical factors. In this video, we will discuss the essential factors to consider when hiring a wood floor sanding business to ensure you get the best results. Many homeowners struggle with choosing the right professionals for wood floor sanding, often leading to poor results and wasted money. One of the main reasons for this is the lack of research and planning that goes into hiring a contractor. Homeowners may not know what to look for in a contractor, or they might be swayed by low prices without considering the quality of work. This can lead to a subpar sanding job that doesn't meet their expectations. Furthermore, it can also lead to additional costs down the line if the job needs to be redone. It's crucial to approach the hiring process with caution and diligence to avoid these common pitfalls. In addition, homeowners may also underestimate the complexity of wood floor sanding, thinking it's a simple job that anyone can do. We'll cover key factors such as checking credentials, understanding pricing, assessing equipment used, and reading customer reviews to help you make an informed decision. When checking credentials, it's essential to verify if the contractor has liability insurance in the event that your property is damaged. Always check for experience via online sources such as Google reviews, Facebook and YouTube. This will give you peace of mind knowing that you're hiring a professional who can handle the job. Understanding pricing is also critical, as you want to ensure that you're getting a fair deal. Be wary of contractors who offer extremely low prices, as this could be a sign of inexperience or low-quality work. Assessing the equipment used is also vital, as this will impact the quality of the sanding job. Finally, reading customer reviews will give you an idea of the contractor's reputation and level of customer satisfaction. Checking credentials is more than verifying liability insurance. It's also about checking their experience and reputation in the industry. You want to hire a contractor who has a proven track record of delivering high-quality results. Understanding pricing means considering all the costs involved, including the cost of materials, labor, and equipment. You should also consider the price range for different services, such as stain application, sealing, and finishing. Assessing equipment used is critical, as the right equipment can make a huge difference in the quality of the sanding job. Reading customer reviews will give you an idea of the contractor's level of customer satisfaction, communication skills, and ability to meet deadlines. The most critical insight is to prioritize experience and customer satisfaction, as these elements can significantly impact the quality of the sanding job and your overall satisfaction. Experience matters because it ensures that the contractor has the necessary skills and expertise to handle the job. Customer satisfaction is also crucial, as it reflects the contractor's commitment to delivering high-quality results and ensuring customer happiness. Prioritizing these elements will help you make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. Additionally, it's also essential to trust your instincts and ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Don't be afraid to walk away if you're not comfortable with the contractor. Your wood floors are a significant investment, and you want to ensure that they're in good hands. To recap, always research potential contractors, ask the right questions, and trust your instincts to ensure your wood floors are in good hands. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on home improvement tips.